Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. Also, make sure you turn off the water supply to the washer. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the drain hose in an LG washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flat blade screwdrivers, a pair of wise grip pliers, and a pair of pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new drain hose. The drain hose connects the bottom of the boot seal to the lower portion of the outer top. That prevents water from accumulating inside the boot seal. A lot of times the drain hose is replaced because it gets clogged, causing water to sit inside the boot seal. This problem could be easily solved by taking the hose off and cleaning it and the openings in the seal and in the top. But sometimes it breaks, causing a water leak, and in that case must be replaced. Get down and open the pump filter door. Push the door hinges and remove it completely. Place a towel on the floor. Pull out the pump drain hose from the holder. Place some kind of a dish under and pull the hose cap out. If there's any water inside the pump, it should drain into the dish. Save the cap, don't plug it back yet. Remove the Phillips screw that holds the door housing and pull the housing out. Take out this Phillips screw that holds the front panel to the chassis. Open the door and using the flat blade screwdriver, pry off the outer door boot seal clamp. So next thing, we're going to remove the boot seal of the right side of the opening. So we can reach in there, tack it in. And then using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the two screws that hold the switch. Push in the door switch and remove the door boot seal off the front panel completely. And now we can close the door. We need to remove the top panel in order to get it apart. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take out two lower screws from the rear brackets, slide back and remove the top panel. Pull out the detergent dispenser drawer, press the tab and remove it completely. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take out the two screws on the sides of the drawer opening and slide the housing out. Remove the single Phillips screw in the right corner at the back of the control panel. Open the two retainers. Pull out the harness and disconnect the 3 wire plugs by pressing the tabs. Starting on the right, pull out the top of the control panel to release the tabs and remove the control panel from the cabinet. Now we can take the control panel out of the way. And using the Phillips screwdriver, take out all 6 screws off the top of the front panel. Hold the panel so it won't fall off. Tilt the front panel back and lift it off the bottom hinges. Put the panel out of the way. Okay, we're going to tilt the washer on its back on some kind of support. Be careful, this one is heavy. Using the pliers, squeeze the top hose clamp and pull the drain hose out of the boot seal together with the coupling. Take the clamp off. Reach in with the pliers, squeeze the clamp and remove the drain hose of the outer tub. Clean the ports at both the boot seal and the tub. Okay, let's strip the old drain hose of the clamps and the coupling. We're going to use them with the new one. This is the old drain hose next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from appliancepartspros.com. Next, we are going to dress up that new drain hose with all those nice things as a coupling. Goes first. And then we're going to put 3 clamps on. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. Ready for installation. Install the drain hose onto the top port. Using the pliers, move the clamp down to secure the drain hose. Next, install the other end of the drain hose with the coupling into the rubber port of the door boot seal. Using the pliers, slide the first clamp on to secure the connection. Using the pliers, move the middle hose clamp to the end of the hose. All right, next we're going to put the washer upright. And remove the support. Now we can reassemble the washer. Bring the front panel and install it on the bottom hinges. Make sure the pump drain hose is in the opening. Rotate the front panel up and secure it to the cabinet with the 6 screws using the Phillips screwdriver. Now the control panel. Insert the wires into the opening and install the bottom panel tabs into cutouts in the panel and push the top to lock the upper tabs. Secure the panel with the Phillips screw at the top right corner. Connect the 3 wire plugs and lock the harness into the retainers. Install the dispenser housing. Make sure the front end is locked in around the opening in the control panel. Secured with the 2 Phillips screws. Slide the drawer in. Install the top panel. Place it on the cabinet just about 1.5 inches away from the front. Slide it forward to lock the tabs. Secure the top panel with the 2 Phillips screws at the back. And then we can install the switch. Match that switch inlet with the cutout and secure it with 2 Phillips screws. All right, now we're going to install the boot seal over the door frame lip. Make sure it's installed all around. Do the visual check. All right, now we can install the clamp. Place the clamp on into the groove with the spring at 6 o'clock and start from the top. And the left side. Alright, so the spring is in. Next we're going to clamp on the wise grip pliers right at the end of the spring. And jam the flathead screwdriver right around 3 o'clock. And pull on the spring and install the clamp into the groove. Then remove the wise grip. Again, make a visual check, then make sure that the clamp is on correctly, and then just pull hard on the boot seal. It's better stay on. It stays on, that means we did a good job. And now we can close the door. Install the single Phillips screw at the bottom of the drain pump filter door. Install the door housing, slide the hose into the cutout and secure it with the Phillips screw. Plug the drain hose. Place the drain hose in the holder. Install the filter door on the hinges and close it. Turn the water on, plug the washer back in, and make sure there's no leaks. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.